What's up everyone, and welcome back. We're talking about a legendary brand making a comeback with a phone that sounds like an absolute beast. A 200 megapixel camera. A battery so huge you might only need to charge it twice a week. This is the Nokia Magic Max 5G, and the specs are almost unbelievable. So in this video, we're breaking down every leak, the price, and when we might actually see this thing launch. If that sounds good to you, let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia Magic Max 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about that display. The leaks suggest we're looking at a 6.78-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. That's already a recipe for vibrant colors and deep blacks. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's rumored to have a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate. And of course, it's expected to be protected by Gorilla Glass armor, and feature an in-display optical fingerprint sensor for quick, secure unlocking. Camera setup. Now, for the part everyone is talking about, the cameras. This phone is rumored to be a photography beast with a triple camera setup. The main sensor is said to be a staggering 200 megapixel lens with OIS, or optical image stabilization. On top of that, we're hearing whispers of a 50 megapixel, and a 10 megapixel secondary sensor, which would give you a lot of flexibility for different types of shots. And for all you selfie addicts out there, a massive 64 megapixel front camera is rumored to be on board. Performance. Ready for anything. What about performance? The rumors point to this phone running on the latest Android 16 OS, and powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. This is one of the most powerful mobile processors out there right now. Whether you're a serious mobile gamer, a multitasking wizard, or you just use demanding apps, this phone should be able to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Battery backup. This is another area where the leaks are blowing my mind. We're supposedly getting a massive 8700 mAh battery. And when you do finally need to power up, the rumors suggest 120 watt super fast charging. This means you'll be able to go from 0 to full in a fraction of the time. Price and launch date. Okay, so we've covered the impressive specs, but what about the price and launch date? This phone is expected to be priced around $750, which would put it in the mid-range category. As for when you can get your hands on it, the rumors suggest a launch by the end of this year.